Welcome! In front of me I have a Huawei Watch GT Runner, and I'm gonna show you how to customize the widgets on this device. First, let me show you what I mean by widgets. So let's wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the home button, and once you're on the home screen, the current watch face, you can swipe left on the screen to scroll through the list of widgets. And we have a couple of them, I believe up to 6. We have the workout, training plans, run ability index, heart rate, resting heart rate, and compass. And we can customize this list. To do it, let's press the home button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the option called custom cards. For some reason it's called custom cards on this watch. And tap on it, and here we have the list of widgets we can customize. Like I said before, you can have up to 6 widgets, and we can do a couple of things with them. We can remove a widget from the list. To do it, simply find the widget you want to remove and tap on the X button next to it. If you have less than 6 widgets, you can add more. So now we can scroll up and tap on the big plus button. And here we have a list of widgets we can add. We have compass, SpO2, contacts, stress, sleep, and stuff like that. Find the one you like and select it. For example, let's select moon face and then tap OK. And now we have the moon face on the list. And last thing you can do is to basically change the order on the list. So if, let's say, we want to move moon face rather higher, we can tap on this arrow right here next to it to keep moving it higher, like that. Let's move it right to the top. And once you're done customizing your widgets list, you can press the home button to go home, and you can then scroll through the list. And as you can see here, we have our moon face, and we can see the whole list we edited. And that's how you customize the widgets on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.